Welcome to iGuru Services. Today we will be going to talk about how to stop all the Outlook error codes at once. Even though it is technically impossible to fix all the Outlook Express error codes at once, here are some easy and common fixes for some Outlook errors which can solve issues caused by frequent minor problems that don't need professional assistance. First, check internet connection. A stable internet connection is absolutely required to run and operate Outlook Express. The inability to connect to a stable network prompts errors such as 0x800CC0F and 0x8004210A. Connecting to a reliable source of the internet will immediately fix any error caused by connectivity issues. Second, check antivirus settings. Many times, antivirus programs have default features that can automatically restrict connectivity to the server. Make sure that your antivirus is not the root cause behind the connectivity issues. If that is the case, either make changes to the antivirus configuration by disabling such features or uninstall the antivirus program to put an end to your problems. Third, clear the Outlook folder. Data overload can become a possible reason behind all these Outlook Express issues. Thus, it is important to periodically clear up unnecessary emails and files from the Outbooks to maximize its performance. Also, look out for any malicious file received via email that can possibly be a malware. Run regular antivirus scans to keep your system safe and secure. Fourth, change server timeout settings. If your server timeout period is set to a minimal amount of time, it can be the culprit. Try manually increasing the span of server time out to fix the issues. Fifth, repair corrupted PST files. If there is some damage in your Outlook PST, there are third-party resources available that can help in solving the issue. There are repair tools available that can assist you in repairing the damaged PST files and ensure that the Outlook Express is running smoothly. However, the best course of action to avoid any Outlook Express related problem is to simply opt for another efficient mailing client such as Microsoft Outlook. If the problem still persists, one can use a converter that allows Outlook Express files to be compatible with other email clients. This helps to convert Outlook Express files, that is DBX files, into another file formats such as PST, EML, MSG and even Mbox. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.